Bumalik.
They're gearing up though.
Yan, yan. Iko na lang natin yan.
Hindi nga natin mapatay. Hirap na hirap tayong patayin eh. Kahit wala silang defensive eh.
Try engage.
Ang ina ng great nature eh.
Ay, wala pala si Skittles. Wala pala, nag-out na pala si Skittles. Yung ano natin. Purge natin, yung life curse.
Yan, wala
Yan
na
na.
mouse ah. Wala na mouse ah. Wala na ah. Nangawat ah.
Got two.
Ay, push na. Oh, nakuha boys. In 3, 2, 1, drop. Drop please, pass. Nice one.
Nice one.
Napa kayo ah.
Come
Kanina
back now. Loot.
Get back. Damage.
Okay, come back na, please.
Yo, they got
Nice Enix, comes out.
Kanina pa kayo.
Sulit nyo ah.
Huwag niyo natawanan. Huwag niyo natawanan.
One more GA. Open GA. Guys,
Mga tropa ko naman yan eh.
Kung tropa mo pala yan, pwede tayo makialis sa Manifest Boy. Labanan natin yung ano.
Oo, pwede.
Normal.
You got engaged?
Wala content lang.
GG.
GG.
Nah, miss.
Na, make. Come back.
We got one more GA, right?
Nope.
No, we have two GAs.
Wala, ikaw lang.
Ano sasabihin ko sa kanila, boy? Tutulungan natin sila bukas.
Hindi, wala. Si, ano yung memo, hindi.
We're gonna help them after we kill some of them. What the
Wag
fuck?
mo na. Next season na lang kamo kung may fight sila, tutulong na. Sa Manifest Manifest tutulungan natin. Sila ang maghahari dito ngayon, men. So, ano muna tayo? Like, peace offering lang.
Pampalubag loob.
Pero in case na meron tayong aling iba, lalabanan natin. Alim muna tayo sa kanila.
Yo, we looking? I'm gonna hit.
Yeah.
Ganun sana DPS, sabay-sabay. Pre, crown, pre. 3, 2, 1, drop boy.
Nice one.
Pre, yung perma mo boy, ano ba yan? Sige, brawl. Wala tayong pakialam sa ano, Sige lang, brawl.
Oh, tier 1 lang yan. Huwag kayo matakot.
Brawl them. Okay, wala na.
Wala na. Joke lang yan.
Wala na. Tambak na.
Nabugaw.
Go.
Comeback na. Pre, heal the front. Heal the front.
Melt.
Yo,
Mike, tara na. Comeback. Dapat sinaboy mo yung perma mo doon. Yaki.
Ano to? Oh, yan. May Volcatcha sa labas ah. Tier 8 yan. At 7 yan ah.
Take this one though. We can take it.
Patay natin yung isa na yan.
Wait, I got 8.
No, don't look.
Don't. Huwag niyo
Hayaan mo siya, hayaan mong i-J bigla.
Huwag niyo bugawin.
Yan mo yung GJ. Pag na-GA, tsaka tayo tatakbo doon. Wala.
GA na. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Putang ina. Expect pa naman ako agad. Aray
Yo,
ko.
bye, bro.
Alam na yan.
Luling at
Okay, so that was the mobs.
Using W's on that guy if he comes near, okay? You can hit it with a perma though, by the way.
Ay, sayang Hubs.
Go, you get it.
Mounted!
This one.
Choco pumabay.
Boy, sprint! Asa na? Ayun na,
Nagaba.
baba.
Grabe. Sayang.
I'm gonna GA again.
Here.
GA here.
I don't have any. Wait. Don't drop.
Purge.
Now on the ground, boys. 3, 2, 1, drop, boys. Oh, brawl them, brawl.
Go. He doesn't have a heal. Okay, come back.
Okay na.
He used his heal. That was a good
Come
fake though.
back out.
Tara.
Nice, Judy. Wala na ata.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Let's go home, boys. Let's.
Thank you.